Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the temporary police station that has been built for Bull Bay in St. Thomas. Now, the Bull Bay police station was along the main road in St. Thomas. Actually, it might be Bull Bay is in both St. Thomas and St. Andrew, so it might have been in the St. Andrew section. But a major road project is on the way. They're building the Southern Coastal Highway, and it's the largest road project on the way in Jamaica right now. Massive development, and it's going to change St. Thomas and Portland when it's finished, because you're going to have basically a super highway going through. So they had to remove over 600 structures to build a highway, and the police station was one of the structures. It was actually one of the last structures to be removed. So they took a abandoned building and they renovated it, and that is now where the temporary Bull Bay police station is located. They plan to build another station in Bull Bay, a new station, but they haven't started yet as everybody's focused on the highway. Now, between Harborview and Albion or Yalos, the highway is going to be 4 lanes. And when the highway goes through Bull Bay, they took the existing road and expanded it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that's why they had to remove so many structures, because like the police station, a lot of buildings, a lot of structures were built right against the road. So they had to remove them and expand the road. Now it's actually, the road expansion is actually finished. You can look at it. This can see it's 4 lanes. Although only 2 lanes are operational in some sections, it's actually, the road is now 4 lanes. The highway is far advanced and should finish by December this year. The Harborview to Yala section. We have lots of videos up of the actual demolition of the police station, but here you can see it's 4 lanes, dual carriageway. Very nice road, I must say, very impressive. It's delayed, it's taking longer than expected, but nonetheless, it's getting done. Now we're actually coming up to the spot where the old police station used to be. So we'll point that out to you when we get there. So we're just going to give you an update on the temporary police station to give you some more info on what's going on with that. But we're coming up to where the police station used to be, so I just want to point it out to you. Now on the right, you see those concrete walls. That's a new wall that was built because the structures that were along this roadway were removed. So the side of the road that we're driving on now actually had structures on it. This is the new section that they built. To the left, the road on the left of the dual carriageway is where, actually I think we passed it. No, out here now. The road on the left, that's the original road. The road that we're on is the new road. So there you can see that white gate, the blue fence. On the right is where the police station is. So where we are driving now, where that truck just passed us, is where the police station used to be. And it was removed. And I'm not sure if they've finalized a spot for the new police station, but one of the venues they're looking at is actually the same spot that the original station was on, but just at the back. The property has a lot of space, so it would be at the back, closer to the sea. But I'm not sure if they have finalized the location of the new police station yet, but a new one is going to be built, because Bull Bay is one of the areas that are going to benefit from this highway. I mean, you can get here in literally minutes from Kingston Harborview. So this is one of the areas that's going to do very well because of the highway. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.